Alright guys, for the kids, getting the boat ready. Today, Tuesday, April 16th. Just put a fresh coat of white paint on the inside. That's my boy JM, my stepbrother JM from last year. My cousin Imran from Trinidad on vacation, helping us out. Hopefully he'll get some fishing before he goes back. Striper season opened up yesterday. Flounder season's already open. Blackfish season's already open. But, you know, tomorrow we'll work on the floor. For the kids. Getting the boat prep, guys. I'm so freaking excited. That's what it's all about right there. It's my 24-gallon gas container. Alright guys, I'll bring you guys back on the finished, almost finished or whatever, step by step. See you on the next clip. Alright guys, Desmond for the kids back again. I put a coat of varnish on the white. Fresh coat of paint on the floor. The interior is done. I just got to do some electrical work. Got to run another light up front. And I got to change out the switches, the pull push switches. Today is April 26th, April 23rd, sorry. Exterior, I'm putting a coat of sealant. I'm sealing the whole boat bottom with this thing. It's by Goop, coated for boat bottoms, hulls, interior. This is the hardener, and this is the epoxy with Kevlar. Seals up everything. Got my boy JM. He's scraping off the chipping paint. Pretty much sealed up this side already. And this side for the kids, guys. Seal up everything. So once he's done scraping, I'll get to the bottom. Everything is coming along great, guys. The varnish, I only did the varnish. I don't care, it looks a little crappy. I only did it to make a cleaning up of the boat. Like when the fish blood splatters all over, it stains it. Maybe when I'm done, I'll put a fresh coat of white paint on the sides. And I'm putting the sealer because there were some hairline cracks on the finish. Seal them up so the bottom could be painted. I have a new fish finder coming in that Dylan hooked me up with. It's the Lowrance Elite 5 Ti with the side scan, down scan, and sonar. So it's gonna be much better. We'll see the fishes, they can't hide from us. We'll see everything. Alright guys, so I'll cut this video for now. I'm doing it clip by clip, so when I'm finished, it'll be one total video. Alright guys, back to you with the next clip. Desmond for the kids. Alright guys, Desmond for the kids. Today is Monday, May 6th, I believe. Seal went on, the bottom paint went on. For the kids is ready to go into the water. Well, not yet. I'm waiting for the mechanic to tune up the motor and lube up the shifter over there, and then I'll be good. But floors came out nicely. Everything came out the way I want it. I had to replace the primer board just now because the other one was rotted. This is the total scan transducer for that Lowrance Elite 5 Ti. I just put the transducer paint, me and JM. JM's there. I put the first coat, he put the second coat. Put the transducer paint on there. Pretty much did it like how all the videos show, and according to Lowrance, it's level to the bottom. My boat stays in the water all season, so I have to put the transducer paint because it'll turn out like this. Let me show you this guy's boat here. The barnacles. You don't paint your transducer, that happens. And then the fish finder doesn't work effectively. But I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost there. Maybe 1-2 more days. The mechanic said he's going to look at the motor today. I'm hoping. So if he does today, hopefully tomorrow I'll be in the water. Can't wait, guys. Can't wait. Alright, guys, so the next clip will be with the boat inside the water. See you soon. Desmond for the kids. Alright, guys, it's a little bit noisy. Desmond for the kids. Today is Tuesday, March 7th, and I got the motor running. She's pissing good. Sounds good. So all that's left now is to go in the water. Alright, guys, I'll get back to you on the next clip. Alright, guys, I'm back again. Desmond for the kids. My brother Darren's programming the Lowrance Elite 5 Ti. Baby's in the water. She's in the water, guys. Fishing starts. Running. Put in a new horn. So 2019 is getting ready to begin for the kids. She's in the water. I'm so excited. Alright, guys, 2019 is getting ready to start for us. For the kids fishing, Desmond, peace.